This particular case, gumawa tayo ng example. Alright. Examplean natin. Okay, type 1 kung ready na. For example, ako ay merong $500 sa aking kapital at ako ay o-order, sabihin mo na o-order tayo ng Bitcoin. No? Sa Bitcoin, o-order ako ngayon ng sabihin na nating $400. No? $400. Paano ko malalaman ang maker at taker fee? No? $400 times 10x. No? Okay, $400 times 10x. Ibig sabihin, punta ngayon tayo sa computation natin. Sabi natin $400 times 10x. Okay, isa side to side ko yung ating screen para mas mabilis. Okay, give me a second ha. All right. So we're going to side our screen. Give me a second. Let me stop sharing. All right, share natin. All right, so we're going to use $400 capital. Leverage is 10. All right, token is Bitcoin. Open price is at 62,538. Assuming na i-close natin siya sa 64,000, maker fee 0.02. Nakita mo, nag-automatic compute yung position size ng Bitcoin. Basically, ang position size mo is 0.063. 0.063. Alright. Okay, medyo maliit. Coach Miranda, yung open fee, $8. Closing fee, 0.20. Lakihan natin, sorry. 64,000 pala. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin nito, listen carefully ha. Listen carefully. Kapag kayo ay nag-scalp, ang laki ng difference. Coach Miranda, from 62,000 naging 64. Huwag mong kalimutan na ang total fees mo, 150 pesos. So hindi ka pwedeng matapos ng scalping na kumita ka lang, sabihin mo na, ng 300 pesos. Dahil 2.84 times 61 pesos, meron ka na agad menos na 173. Therefore, ang totoong kinita mo lang is 126 pesos. Nagets nyo ako? Okay, tingnan mabuti ha. Maker fee, $0.8. Closing fee. Don't worry, I'm going type number 1 if you want me to send this to you for free, this link. Okay. Para hindi kayo